Hello everyone, we are back with CDG, and this is my first video for these games. In my previous channel, I had posted a video on Deadly Desert, which I have not completed the whole game. Still, I have it, and I will be posting these videos quite later. I'll be starting with Pacific Front now. So let's start it. Once I was going around Play Store about its comments for both the games, I saw many comments stating that this game is a type of pay to win game, and I have to agree that once I also said that this is a pay to win game when I was a child and I first played it. I didn't understand, but after now I understood the game. It's more or less easy, damn easy. So I just played some basic training, all of them finished, so I got 7,720. Actually I did more, and the thing is, we are going to start with US. We'll show that US have been victorious in every mission. Then we'll start with Japanese, because I want to change the history, giving Japanese the whole victory. So let's start with US. I just did 2 of these missions just to see how are they. So we'll be starting with American Flood. Okay, so yeah, it has. Okay, the starting square. I'll be just skipping all those things stating the story of the game, so we'll not be using it. Yeah, time waste. Okay, let's start with it. So we got some set of units near our carrier, and what our task is to deploy all of them in this beach, and either capture or destroy this airbase, and then forward your post to capture this supply depot. And on the way you can get lots and lots of enemies, nearly like 5 times or 4 times more than your army. So a group is at near the shore, another near the airfield, one over here, and there's a reserve command which keeps moving around the whole map. All of a sudden they will hit you from nowhere. And the fact is that in the whole game there will be only 2 Japanese aircraft roaming around the whole base, and the fact is that they stay for unlimited time. They don't have any specific time for flying. Even if you capture or destroy this airbase, they'll keep flying around. So you want to secure your anti-aircraft guns until and unless both of them are destroyed. So let me explain what we have now. You had 2 stormtroopers, 1 anti-tank squad, 2 light tanks, 1 anti-air gun, and a supply truck. Supply truck I usually means loads all the supplies very fast, because I always concentrate on giving more health to my units rather than using them just as an ammo vehicle or something like that. And the fact is that we have 2 fighter aircrafts for our aid, and we're not going to use it so early. So as you can see, we have sent some stormtroopers. They will not attack us so easily, we are damn lot far away. And we have some gun aircraft, 2 of them. I'm not gonna use it quick. We'll use as a scout, then we'll bring him back. Let's start our landing with our tanks. I'll give you a small lecture. Come on. Okay, so we have 1 Japanese anti-tank squad over here. You have to first eliminate it so that we can guard our tanks. First priority for us should be eliminating anti-tank squad. But still, we have got its attack one and only attacking shot. So what we have left is with means they have left us with nothing. So we can actually enjoy until and unless their reinforcements arise. But they are a long way to go. We will land these guys a bit later because I don't want to sacrifice both of them so early. They'll be only concentrating on attacking us rather attacking someone else. So, okay. Let's eliminate this guy. Done. We have to guard this guy. Still, we can. Wow, I didn't expect that it would be in range to attack. A bit forward. You land our supply truck damn late because I don't really want it to go up first and just get destroyed. Then, yeah, we have to spend around 450 gold for them. Still, I will keep our supply truck nearby. All our things done, and we have 2 aircraft and in depth. So what we have is, if you have any unit and you have to check where all does have its range, either for return fire or direct fire. So just keep holding an unit and you can see red tiles that shows that this unit can fire until this range. So this anti-aircraft gun only has a range until this destroyed farm crop. So this guy is completely ill protected against air attacks, and we are gonna use this. One would suffice because using all of them is not really economical. So you have to get everything, you have to get it back to the carrier, and if all of a sudden you will get something and destroyed, that's disturbing for you. Ruin your game actually. I hope nothing will get destroyed. Okay, they are getting destroyed. Good. No worries, it hardly makes any damage. Okay, so this thing anti-aircraft tried to kill our aircraft. No shoes, it's actually not dead. Until and unless it's dead. So we can enjoy. So let's see what this aircraft has range. Come on. I'll get this somewhere here. Then does it say? Can it kill it? No. That's what I want. Okay, goodbye. Safe. So we'll get it back near the carrier, and on the next turn we'll land it up and give it more supplies. Till then, you have to get this guy eliminated out of the game. We can manage the anti-air late because it's not really gonna do much damage to us. So is it so strong? I don't think so. Now see? Okay, some bear damage dealt. And something you'll find very bad about in this game is, in this level not in this game, in this level is, you will see a medium tank standing near the supply depot, and it is more likely to be the guard. It's so strong that it's damn hard to destroy it. And most of the time, and yeah, the fact is that there are many units guarding the sector, so they keep attacking on us. So it's generally damn hard to guard it. Okay, both the German Japanese aircraft have been spotted. You'll get one. We'll just no issues. Who cares? Isn't it? The stuff, you guys. Head up straight. There's an anti-aircraft group hiding behind. See? I told you. But I don't know why most of the time they don't attack us. Maybe there might be a reason. I don't have to look at this, otherwise it'll be automatically destroyed. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll get this guy out and we'll make this guy fly out till here. I hope these guys don't come up against it. Let's see. Okay, what is this? Oh, our unit stuck. I could have thought that I had a unit over there. Still, I'll get these guys closer. I don't want to waste their movement. All set. Anything left? Nothing. So just give him to next. I hope nothing. Well, not luck. Lost our infantry. Generally, stormtroopers take less damage against your anti-tank squads because they give shells and infantry just gets spread out. In reality also, they usually spread out against grenades and mortars, so generally they don't get mass fire against them. They can hardly do anything. Destroyed. Okay, so now what we are gonna do is we are not gonna go save or destroy, that means capture this thing. What we are gonna do is bye because we don't want it, because it's enough. We have an aircraft carrier full of tons of, what do you say, resources, so you can just take it from there and not really waste your resources, means what do you say, for your aircrafts. You don't really need this airfield. You can just manage with it your aircraft carrier. And another thing is, until and unless we touch this road or we go by this way, we are not going to be hit by anyone. So we can, until then, we can just keep battering these guys. Okay. Why it's taking so much time to load? Sometimes it takes what to do. Now what I am planning is to get all my air units up in the air and siege or the enemy airfield. Okay. Oh, hello enemy. So what they were planning is to send these fighter to against our carrier, and successfully have countered. What? I hope it can manage with one. Yeah, it can. Bombed. Okay, we require this. No. Okay, we got 300 gold. Capture or destroy the airfield. Good job, Sergeant. I know I'm the great, I'm the best. You didn't require to tell it to me. Isn't that the truth? Okay, then we don't have use for this. What to do? And the thing is, we are not gonna move our troops by this village because there's a mound hidden here which will disturb your movement of your troops. And if you, by the way, go by this side, you can counter one group or one platoon at a time. And if you go by this road, you'll be countering 2 platoons at a time, and all of a sudden a reserve platoon will come up from anywhere and destroying your whole units. So you can go by, we will be going by the forest, first destroying a platoon in the forest, the hidden platoon, then air defense corps here, then we'll be moving with the reserve platoon, and at last, the last platoon will be countered here near the base, which will be having the beast. So the route is clear, and the aircrafts are gonna be destroyed anytime soon by a carrier, so we have nothing to worry. We can just sacrifice our anti-aircraft. In Delhi Desert, they had an option to just instant mobilization of your ground units. It can be easily converted into an truck or jeep, so it will be like 3 times the speed it goes. That was good, but I don't know why didn't they keep it in Pacific Front. That's damn weird. Okay, so we have this. Why do we need? Goodbye. Let's see if this guy can help us spy. Should we believe this? Oh, so the reserve platoon is near here. I hope we can manage. Oh, it can. And I don't know why in those pass and play mission that I was using, I was just seeing those. So I was shocked that the maps are damn small. I didn't expect it because Deadly Desert maps are really, really large. I thought, like, because it has naval units and things, I thought, okay, I'm having a large map, I'll be sending my lot of units. But when I saw that the map was tiny, like, okay, definitely not a good idea. But still, I just request, if being lucky, the makers of the game watch this video, just suggestion, make the pass and play maps even bigger. See, so many guys will be moving out from nowhere. Hordes and hordes. And the fact, most of them will be easily countered. See, most of them didn't do much damage to us. And our first priority should not be this tank. Alright, have to get this thing retreated, otherwise I'll die up, curl up and die. No ammo. What? So quick. Okay. This thing also has to go and take rest unless I call it up again. Okay. For the time being, this tank is dangerous for us. Even though this is not the beast I was talking about, the beast is always standing near the border outpost. And the thing most of the people don't know is, if you keep your unit in a forest or a village, it always gives you a lot of defensive bonus. And if you add up having those fortifications, you are unbeatable. Sometimes the situation says, pay me money or lose. What to do? We'll face this guy later. We have eliminated Rizzo and the air cops. So actually we are finished with 3 of them. If even there was a part of Rizzo cops hiding somewhere behind the bushes, we might get them. So actually it's not really so. Okay, so no one above here. So now our job is to go capture this base. And the thing is, we have to be most careful now. Even though they don't have any sort of mines to guard, but the thing we should be scared of is the beast. Okay, I'll just get, I don't want this thing anymore, so I'll just sacrifice this. Come on. Okay, this is the guard platoon. So it has 2 stormtroopers, 2 anti-tank squads, and the beast medium tank, and an anti-aircraft gun. And what we have is 2 light tanks, 1 anti-aircraft gun, 1 anti-tank squad. Okay, so simply we are nearly half of what they have. And the thing is, by the time they we managed to get our aircraft till there, they might lose their anti-aircraft. We need to do that. Okay, so goodbye. I told you, it's dead. Okay, sometimes you have to always listen to professional players so that you could win. And don't be damn quick, because it does not always yield you like, okay, surprise victory. Not like that. It hardly happens. Wait, what? You don't have range? So this is showing me red things, red tile. That it means that if it travels here, it may not be successful in going back to the carrier. So yeah, I have taken definitely a big risk. I hope it saves me. I'm gonna use up 300 golds to get it have more firepower and range. I don't want it to have such a small range. Then you might not be able to utilize your aircrafts. Anything destroyed? Okay, beast released. Wow. You'll keep it a bit far because I don't want them to all of a sudden be move forward and say goodbye. I don't want that to happen. This definitely has a ton of firepower. Unity pays off. The beast is destroyed, so now the game is more or less easy because that is the only one which will be keep saying like, okay, so you're not gonna win unless I'm there. Let's change. So we have eliminated it. Okay, time to say goodbye. I don't spend money in it because it has 2 infantry. Water will give it 100 bucks for, what do you say, fortifications, 150 for supplies. Still, even if they don't manage to get them eliminated, this will. So there's no use spending 250 on them. So we had to wait until the next turn. And I hope there's something called 0. So this isn't 0. I'm gonna pay 300 for each. It's 150 for each. It didn't kill it. Really weird. Okay. Nope, sorry. I don't want you. I want you. Okay, now their anti-aircraft is destroyed, and we are gonna wreak our havoc over them. Oh wow, that's cool. So I can do nothing. Easy victory. So I'm not gonna flag this post so quick because we need a lot of money now, and just easily sacrifice it, isn't it? As expected, this unit is dead. Still, we have an anti-aircraft gun to help us capture it. Bye-bye. Anyone facing any issues? So you need to get forward. Wait, this guy has a lot of strength. I don't care if you guys live or you don't, because you're not gonna know much be here in the map. Okay, vision blocked. Okay, no damage. Not heavy damage to be sure. Okay, no ammunitions. You're gonna stay here. Or else you can just move, roam around the map, have a good look. This would suffice us. So we can just have a trip around the map. Okay, done. We're done. Whatever it does, we are gonna win because. Wait, what? I thought it had enough firepower. Okay, before we actually end the game or lose the both aircrafts, let's send it to the ends of this map. You wanna go somewhere? Okay, enjoy. Flag it up. Done. Total kills 23. Good. 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 What? I need promotion. Okay. Still, we're happy with whatever we have. We will be seeing you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.